Hello everyone, welcome to Take Up Pro. Today I have come up with a new project and the project title name is RFID based attendance system with automatic door unit. Before moving on to our project, let us discuss some drawbacks in the existing system. So in the existing system, manual entry of students' attendance is maintained in the handwritten registers. It not only consumes time but also large volume of paperwork is needed, and it will be risky job to maintain the records and more human effort is required for the calculations of the attendance every time. So these need to be avoided. So to avoid all these limitations and make the working more accurately, the system needs to be modernized in a better way. So the system must be evaluated in the technical point of view, and the proposed system eliminates the difficulties up to some extent and will help the user to reduce the workload and mental conflict. Okay, let's move on to the block diagram. Here you can see power supply is given to entire circuit, RFID tag is used, RFID reader, Arduino, LCD display, motor driver to run DC motor. So the main aim of this project is to design an RFID technology based attendance system using Arduino, and the attendance of students or employees is automatically recorded with swipe of a card. Here you can see power supply is given to entire circuit. So here RFID reader is used to read the information from the RFID tag. So RFID tag is given to every student and the student's information is stored in the database of Arduino. So as soon as card is placed in front of the reader, using radio waves, it will read and capture the information stored in the tag, and the data is transformed from the RFID reader to Arduino. The controller will check continuously if any data is received, and it compares the data in the database. If the tag is authenticated, it will take the attendance and sends the information to the LCD display to display the messages, and also sends command to the motor driver to run the DC motor, and the door will be opened and the door will be closed after the entry of the student into the premises. This is our project outlook. Here we are using hardware components and we have fixed hardware components inside this, and this is the transformer for AC supply, and this is the power supply board which converts AC to DC supply, and this is the Arduino Uno board, and which is used to store the database of the students, and it will monitor entire the process, and this is the LCD display to display the messages. Here you can, and this is the DC motor for opening and closing of the door, and this is the RFID reader. So RFID reader contains copper winding which acts as antenna. When tag is placed near the reader, due to the mutual inductance energy, data is transferred to the reader. The reader then transferred to the controller. Okay, let us see the output. Here I am using 5 cards, and 2 cards for student 1 and student 2, 1 card for reset and 1 for day reset and 1 for month reset. Here you can see I am using student 1. So you can see in the LCD display is displaying the title name RFID based attendance system, and it is asking for swipe your card. Here student is going to swipe the card. The door will be automatically opened and the attendance will also be recorded. After some delay, after the entry of the student into the premises, the door will be automatically closed. Here I am using student 2. So after the student 2 enters into the premises, the door will be automatically closed and the attendance will also be recorded. And the same will be displayed on the LCD display. So here RFID readers are placed entry and also at the exit level. While the student has to leave the premises, he has to swipe his code at the exit level. So the door will be opened. After he leaves the premises, the door will be automatically closed. So a student can swipe his code only for 2 times per day. If he swipes more than 2 times, it will not permit to enter into the premises. So attendant need to reset the day by using this reset code. So here he has to reset the day by using this reset code. Here you can see in the LCD display, it is displaying as reset day. So then the student will have access to swipe the code and enter into the premises. You can see here the person is trying to swipe the code for third time, and you can observe the door is not opened here. So until the attendant reset for next day, the student will not have access to swipe the tags and enter into the premises. Next day, the attendant will reset the day by using this reset code. You can observe here LCD is displaying as reset day. So now the students will have access to access their codes and enter into the premises. If you want to know the total attendance of a student, so I am using this total code and I am swiping this code. So it is displaying on the LCD the total attendance of the students. So this is about our project, and this can be used for attendance in schools, colleges and universities, and this is used for educational institutions and anywhere. It will minimize the data entry and gives accurate results, and this is the final output of our project. For more projects, please visit our website www.takeoffprojects.com. Thank you.